Hello guys, we have started the chapter logic gates and mathematical logic. So far we have learned electronics and mathematical logic. Then we have learned basic gates, AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, and from mathematical logic we have learned connectives, conjunction, disjunction and negation. Today we will learn two mathematical logic connective, conditional or we can say implication, and biconditional, that is double implication. Then logic diagram of given boolean expression using basic gates, construction of truth table for the given boolean expression, and construction of truth table for the given mathematical statement patterns. So let's start with connective conditional. Conditional, which is also known as implication. If two statements P, Q, here P and Q both are in small letters. If two statements are combined by using the connective if, then it is called as conditional, denoted by arrow and read as P implies Q or if P then Q. The conditional statement P implies Q is false only if P is true and Q is false. Otherwise, it is true. Here is the truth table where P, Q and P implies Q are three different columns. If P is false, Q is false, P implies Q is true. If P is false, Q is true, P implies Q is true. If P is true, Q is false, P implies Q is false. If P is true, Q is true, P implies Q will be true. To remember this, let's see an example. If statement P is raining, and it will be true if there was rain. Statement Q is to carry an umbrella, and it is true while we are carrying an umbrella. And P implies Q will be true if I don't want, the statement P implies Q will be true if I will not get wet in the rain. So let's see the conditions. There was no rain and I have not carried the umbrella. So will I get the wet? No. I will not get wet in the rain. Hence, the P implies Q is true. There was no rain, but I carried the umbrella. In this condition as well, I will not get wet in the rain. Now, there was a rain, but I didn't carry the umbrella. In this condition, I get wet, and hence the P implies Q will be false. There was a rain, and I carried the umbrella. In this condition, I will not get wet, and hence there was true statements. Now let's see the biconditional or double implication. If two statements P, Q are combined using logical connective if and only if, then it is called as biconditional. It is denoted by double-sided arrow and it is read as P biconditional Q or P if and only if Q. Biconditional statement P biconditional Q is true if P and Q have same truth value, that is P and Q should be false, both the false or both the true. Let's see the truth table. If P is false, Q is false, P biconditional Q is true as P and Q both have same truth value FF. If P is false, Q is true, P biconditional Q is false. If P is true, Q is false, P biconditional Q is false. If P is true, Q is true, P biconditional Q is true. Now, let's move to the new topic, logic diagram and truth table of given boolean expression and truth table for given mathematical statement pattern. Suppose the given equation y is equal to a dot b plus a bar dot b plus a b bar. Now, first we have to draw a logic diagram. First we have to identify the gates. Here we have to perform a dot b, a bar dot b, and a b bar, that is AND gate. So we required 3 AND gates. Then we have to add them. So we required 3 input 1 OR gate, and we required a complement or a bar and b complement or b bar. So we required 2 NOT gates. So let's see how to draw a logic diagram by using basic gates. First we have to identify number of inputs. We have 2. They are a and b. So here it is, my terminal A. I required a bar, so I will pass this a from NOT gate. I will get a bar. Then I required b bar as well, so I will take b. I will pass it through NOT gate. I will get b bar. Now I will draw the input lines. Here are the input lines through which we will take inputs for our gates. So first we have to perform a dot b. So here is a, here is b, and we will pass these inputs from AND gate. So I will get AB. Then I required a bar b. So here is a bar, and here is b. So I will get a bar b. Now I required a b bar. So here is my a, and here is my b bar. Output will be a b bar. Now I have to perform addition, and addition is performed by OR gate. So I will pass all these inputs from OR gate. And I will get the output y, that is AB plus a bar b plus a b bar. In this manner you can construct any, or you can draw the logic diagram by using basic gates. Now let's move to the truth table. First we have two inputs a and b. So here are a and b, and these are the possible inputs. Now we required a bar and b bar. So here it is a bar and b bar. For this, 0 will become 1 and 1 will become 0. So here we go, 1 1 0 0. Here it is, 0 become 1, 0 become 1, 1 become 0, and 1 become 0. Then b bar, 1 0 1 0. Now I required AB. So here it is AB. A dot B, when all the inputs are high, output will be high, otherwise low outputs. Now then I required a bar B. Here is a bar, here is B. When all the inputs are high, output will be high, otherwise low output. Then I required a B bar. Here is A, here is B. So on these two cases there are high inputs, output will be high. Then we have to perform OR, AB plus a bar B plus a B bar. Now when any one of the input is high, output is high. Here is all the inputs are low, output is low. One input is high, output is high. One input is high, output is high, and one input is high, output is high. For OR gate, if at least one input is high, for OR gate, at least one input is required high for output should be high. Clear? Now let's move to the mathematical logic question. If the given equation is P conjunction Q disjunction negation of P conjunction Q disjunction P conjunction negation of Q. So first I required P and Q two statements, and here are the possible outcomes FT, FF, FT, TF, TT. Then I required negation of P and negation of Q. So here I go negation of P, that means F become T and T become F. Now I required P conjunction Q. When all the statements are true, P conjunction Q is true. So here it is true. Rest everywhere we will get false. Negation of P conjunction Q. Negation of P conjunction Q. So here is negation of P and here is Q. When both the statements are true, P conjunction Q is true, otherwise false. Then we required P conjunction negation of Q. Here is P, here is negation of Q. In this condition both the statements are true, so we will get true here, rest all are false. Then we required disjunction of this P conjunction Q, disjunction negation of P conjunction Q, disjunction P conjunction negation of Q. When any one statement is true, disjunction is true. So here all the statements are false, so we will get false. Here one statement is true, here as well, and here as well. In this manner you can construct a truth table for mathematical statement pattern. Now suppose the given equation y is equal to ab to the whole bar b bar c a bar b plus a b bar c. Now first we have to identify the gates. Here we required AND gate and NOT gate, AND gate, AND gate, AND gate, OR gates and NOT gates. So there are three inputs A, B and C. So and we required A bar, B bar. No C bar is required, so we will draw only two NOT gates. Here is terminal A, passes through NOT gate, will give me A bar. Then terminal B passes through NOT gate, will give me B bar and a terminal C. As we don't require C bar, so we will not pass C through NOT gate. Then we will draw the input terminal lines. So here we go. Here are the input lines. Now first I required A dot B. So here is my A. Here is my B. I will pass them from AND gate. I will get AB. Now I require AB to the whole bar, so I will pass them from NOT gate. I will get AB to the whole bar. Then I required B bar C. So here is my B bar. And C. So I will get B bar C. Then I required A bar B. So here is my A bar. And then B. So here is my B. I will get A bar B. Then I required A B bar C. So here we go. A B bar and C. I will get A B bar C. Now we have to pass them from OR gate. So here we go. Output terminal Y. In this manner you can construct the logic diagram. Now let's move to the truth table. Here it is, the given equation is AB to the whole bar B bar C, A bar B and A B bar C. So here we have three inputs A, B and C. So here are A, B and C and their possible input combinations. Then we required A bar and B bar. So here it is A bar, that is complement of A. So 0 will become 1 and 1 will become 0. For B bar, same procedure. Now we required A dot B. So here it is, A dot B means these two lines. Output is high when all the inputs are high. Here are the two conditions when all the inputs are high. Then we required AB to the whole bar. That means complement of this column, 0 will become 1. And 1 will become 0. Then we required B bar C. Here is my B bar and here is C. When all the inputs are high, output is high. So B bar, here it is. So in this case we will get high output. Then here we will get high output. Rest everywhere we will get low output. Then we required A bar B. Here is my A bar and here is my B. So for last 4 we have 4 zeros. So here we will get 0 in the output. Now here 1 place and 2 place. So on these 2 places I will get high output. Then A B bar C. Now A, here is A, here is B bar and here is C. Now first A. 4 zeros. So on these 4 places we will put zeros, because for AND gate all inputs should be high. Now we have these 4 remaining. Then we required B bar. Here are last 2 are 0, so we will put 0 here. Here it is 2 1, and then we required C. So C is here 0 and 1, so we will get 1 1 1 1. Only in this condition we will get 1 1 1 1. Rest everywhere we will get 0. Then we require to add these 4, means 1 2 3 and 4. These 4 columns should be added, so at least one input should be high to get high output. So here it is, one input is high. Only these 2 lines will have all the inputs are low. Rest everywhere at least one input is high, so output will be high on these places. So in this manner you can construct the truth table. Now let's move to the mathematical logic. The same equation is written in the mathematical logic form. Negation of P conjunction Q, disjunction negation of Q conjunction R, disjunction negation of P conjunction Q, disjunction P negation of P conjunction negation of Q conjunction R. So we have 3 inputs P, Q and R. Here are the possible combination of input statements. Then we required negation of P and negation of Q. So F will become T and T will become F. Here as well. Now we required P conjunction Q. Here is P, here is Q. When both the statements are true, the P conjunction Q will be true. Here are the 2 conditions when both the statements are true. Rest everywhere there was a false statement. F, 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 F. So everywhere will be false. Now then we required negation of this, so F will become T and T will become F. Then we required negation of Q conjunction R. Here is negation of Q and here is R. When both the statements are true, only then the conjunction is true. So here is Q, here, negation of Q and R. So here is, we will get true here, and FF, TF, FT, TT. Here is FF, FTF. So everywhere we will get false. Then we required negation of P conjunction Q. Here is negation of P, here is Q. When all the statements are true, conjunction is true. Here we will get true. Then here as well, and rest everywhere we will get the F. Then we required P conjunction negation of Q conjunction R. So here is P, here is conjunction of Q, and here is negation of Q, and here is R. So when all the statements are true, then only conjunction is true. So 1 P is true, R is true, and negation of Q is true. Only this place we will get true, rest everywhere we will get false. Here we have 4 false. Then negation of Q, we have 2 false here and 1 false is here in R, so everywhere we will get false except one place. As I don't have enough space over here, that's why I written in this manner, as 7, 8, 9, 10 are the column number. Here is the column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have to perform disjunction. Disjunction states that if any at least one statement should be true, so that disjunction will be true. Here we have one statement true, here we have two true statements, here as well we have two true statements, here we have two true statements, here we have one, here we have three. In the last two lines we have no true statements, so only two false and rest everywhere we will get true. In this manner you can construct truth table for mathematical logic. Now let's move to the next example. Suppose we have the given binary equation, boolean equation, a bar dot b bar plus a plus b to the whole bar to the whole bar. As we have two inputs a and b, so first we will draw two inputs line a and b and then a bar b bar. So here we go. Input terminal A passes through NOT gate. We will get A bar. Here is the input terminal B passes through NOT gate. We will get B bar. Then we will draw the input lines. Here are the input lines. Then first we required a bar dot b bar. So dot is performed by AND gate. Here it is a bar. Here it is b bar. Both are passed through AND gate. We will get a bar dot b bar. Then we required a plus b to the whole bar. So first we will perform a plus b. Here it is a. Here it is b. We will pass them from OR gate as we have to perform Boolean addition. So we will get a plus b. Then we will pass this through NOT gate. Then we will get a plus b bar. Then we will pass these two outputs from another OR gate. Here we go. So we will get a bar dot b bar plus a plus b to the whole bar, and we required whole bar of this, so we will pass this from NOT gate. And we will get the output terminal Y. In this manner you can construct the logic diagram. So let's move to the truth table. We have A, B, A bar and B bar. So let's fill this 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now A will 0 A bar, so 0 will become 1, 1 will become 0. Then we required a bar dot b bar. When both the inputs are high, output is high, otherwise low. Then we required a plus b. A plus b is this. When at least one input is high, output is high. So on this place we will get low, everywhere we will get high. Then we required a plus b to the whole bar, or we can say complement of this column. So 0 will become 1 and 1 will become 0. then addition of this plus this. So 1 plus 1 will give me 1, 0, 0, 0. Then we required y, that is complement of this column. So 1 will become 0 and 0 will become 1. So here is the truth table for the given Boolean equation. Now let's move to the next example from mathematical logic. Suppose the given equation is negation of P disjunction Q conjunction Q implies R implies P implies R. So we have three inputs P, Q and R, and we required negation of P. So here are the possible input combinations for three input P, Q, R. Then we required negation of P. So here we go. F will become T and T will become F. Now we required negation of P disjunction Q, means at least one statement should be true, then only we will get true. P disjunction Q will be true. So here we go. Ft will give me T, again Ft will give me T, Tt T, Tt T, Ff will give me F. Ff is equal to F, Tf T and Tf T. Then we required Q implies R. Here is the Q, here is the R. That umbrella and rain example. First statement true, second is false. Q implies R will be false. Ff will give me true. Ft true. Tf first is true, second is false, will give me false. Then Tt T, Ff T, Ft T, here as well. First is true, second is false, will give me false, and Tt T. Then we required 5 conjunction 6. As I don't have enough space, that's why I write in this manner. You have to write the statement pattern here. 5 conjunction 6. So fifth column conjunction with sixth column. Now conjunction says when both the inputs are true, conjunction is true. So here we have true, here as well true. Tf will be false, Ttt, Ftf, Ftf, Tff and Ttt. We required P implies R. Here is the P, here is the R. Ff will give me T, Ft T, Ff T, Ft T, Tf first is true, second is false, will give me false. Tt T first is true, second is false, will give me false, and Tt T. Here we go. Now 7 implies 8. 7th is this whole and 8th is this. So 7 implies 8. When first is true, second is false, we will get false, otherwise true. Tt T, Tt T, Ft T, Tt T, Ff T, Ft T, Ff T and Tt T. Here is our final value. In this manner you can construct the truth table. That's all about today's lecture. Here are some practice questions for electronics logic or Boolean equation, which you have to construct the logical diagram and you have to construct the truth table as well. Thank you.